Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explore how to update usernames based on their IDs in SQLite. Updating usernames is a common task when managing user accounts or performing data maintenance. Let's dive in and learn how to do it effectively. Updating usernames based on IDs allows us to modify specific user records in a database. In this video, we will focus on updating usernames based on their IDs in SQLite using Python. We'll cover the necessary steps and provide you with practical examples. Before we can update usernames, we need to establish a connection to the SQLite database. In Python, we can achieve this using the SQLite 3 module. Here's an example code snippet. Now that we have established the connection, let's move on to updating usernames based on their IDs. We'll use the update statement with a where clause to specify the ID condition and set the new username. Here's an example code snippet. In the code snippet, we first create a cursor object using the cursor method. The cursor allows us to execute SQL statements. Then, we use the execute method to update the username in the users table based on the ID condition. In this example, we update the name to John Doe for the user with ID 2. Finally, we commit the changes to the database. Host, when updating usernames, it's important to ensure that the ID condition accurately identifies the user you want to update. Double-check the ID value and verify that it corresponds to the correct user record in the database. Fantastic! You've learned how to update usernames based on their IDs in SQLite. This knowledge will empower you to manage user accounts and maintain accurate user information within your databases. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and valuable. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy database management.